Good morning, traders. Good morning, everyone. Guys, welcome to another live market analysis here at MarketMindsMastery. My name is Theo, for those who join us for the first time, and I hope you are all doing great. So, let's start with the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Yesterday, we experienced a strong US dollar, particularly. And what happened actually, the market, we had this valid swing high and then we pointed this lower low as the valid swing low. The market fluctuated within this one. I said I'm interested only to take trades if the price is going to break above the swing high, but it's going to break under the swing low. So what happened? The market retested the previous week's low, and it did it with such a bearish Marubozu candle, and that's a strong signal of market weakness actually. Now the buyers, we see that they don't step in right away. What I will be interested into this one particularly is to see the price coming at this level A or B. Now we have a new market structure. This previous S1 support, after broke by the price, it will become resistance. This one here, so let's put it with Dutch lines. So if the price continuously move upward, then this is going to be an area to look for some rejections. Another indication is that the price, guys, is trading the last 4 periods within the bearish Marubozu candle, and that's a very strong indication that the sellers might gonna still be in control. Also, there is a gap left at this point here, and I always put the gap in brackets. I don't mean a real gap, it's just because the market from this low point here to the recent high up here, it just left this unfulfilled space. Therefore, we do expect some continuously move to the upside. Now, as for trading ideas, trading opportunities, I would rather to see the price entering this area of resistance. Okay, that's the color. So into this box, if the price enters here, then if we are in front of the screen, we're definitely going to scroll down to either 15-minute or hourly time frame to find some either price action or lower highs and lower lows. That will be an indication to go for shorts. That's the analysis for the Australian dollar, US dollar today on the 4-hour time frame. Next one, Euro US dollar, another very promising one. So what do we have at this point is that the price created this market structure. We see a new low, so lower low in the price and also lower high. The lower low started because of this bearish engulfing order block up here, so we mark it on the chart. And that's a 4-hour bearish engulfing order block, guys. We want the price to move higher, to enter into this order block, reject it, and then decline. Now there is a high probability that the market will retest only this low point here. To find it out, let's use the Fibonacci tool, assuming that this is going to be the lowest low for now, prior retracement, prior price correction. the 61.8% and the area of 50% aligns into this area. So I'll keep an eye on the 61.8%. If the price enter into this zone here, we can look for some short opportunities. Okay, somewhere there. You can take screenshots if you want. You can write it. You can note it down, however you prefer. Next one, Great British Pound and the US dollar, similar scenario. Finally, it broke to the downside, which is a great trading indication. Why? Because we can see more follow and continuation. So at this point, I'm not taking any trades right here. The only trade traders might be looking is for the breakout, but I believe the price it's going to retrace before we see continuation to the downside. Or if it will retrace from here, guys, and it's going to create a new high, higher highs, then definitely we will be looking for a new market structure. And if the price breaks and close above the R2 resistance, we enter in this area officially that we're going to go all the way to target the highest prices here. Checking the calendar today, Tuesday, April 2nd, Reserve Bank of Australia meetings minutes, and consumer price index in Germany that will affect, of course, the euro. Expectancy is later on today to see a lower reading number at this point here based on the forecast, and that will make the euro most likely to continuously losing value. So let's see what's going to happen after the CPI, and that will reflect on the euro. Okay, so if the euro will continuously moving lower, then this monthly low from February, it can be a good area to look for some take profits. Next one, USDJPY on the 4-hour chart. The price based on the US dollar strength, of course, it moved upward yesterday. Again, we are into this 4-hour bearish engulfing order block. There is the all-time high monthly resistance here. For some traders, it's worth taking some counter trend trades here because of this all-time high. I'm not saying that the market is going to move lower, I don't know, but there is a high chance that the decline will occur. But please be mindful where you're going to place your stop loss. You can follow on a lower time frame some market structure, like price kind of make equal highs here. So again, weakness. You can check also the RSI declines. It means it's gonna put this market into a corrective phase. And let's see what's gonna happen. If we see lower highs and lower lows, we can start looking for short positions. Oil, one of the most promising for this week, guys, and we explained that we primarily look for short positions, for long positions on the oil. So yesterday I was actually looking for the price to decline further to enter into some kind of areas around the bullish engulfing, but of course it didn't happen. That's okay. Market, it's on the go. Let's see what's going to happen today. I don't see anything that screams out to me to buy this one now on the 4-hour time frame, but on the hourly time frame, perhaps it's going to be something that's going to develop a bit later maybe. So for now I'm not interested into buy, because I don't see my trading setup to be present. Next one, gold price. While we're doing the live, it was up here, start decline, retested this area, the previous week's high, and got rejected, moved to the upside. It was a good technical entry here. Let's see how it looked on the lower time frame. It was with this rejection and then the hammer followed through, but that was late towards the end of the New York session. Anyhow, I didn't get involved with this one because I was betting on a deeper correction, price correction. Next one, S&P 500. As we expected, based on the weekly inside here, dodgy top spin candle, dodgy however you want to call it. Then on the daily chart, equal tops. On the 4-hour chart, it was more visible as a double top here. The price false break to the upside, and the buyers didn't follow through, because we see the price printed these hammers at resistance after a strong move to the upside like this one here. The market shouldn't have shown this kind of price action. The price should have been continued moving upward with a long and well-defined candle body. Therefore, we take the sign of weakness. Anyhow, we were looking to short this one, and now the price enter into this bullish engulfing order block, what we want to see. So that's a real trading example. Now, after it enter into the bullish engulfing order block from the higher time frame on the 4-hour chart, we see it created another bullish engulfing order block here on the hourly time frame. So perhaps the price is gonna move a bit to the upside. There is this area here that can be used as the promising resistance before any kind of retracement. So what else we can use? It's the Fibonacci retracement. So the 60-50 is up here, 61.8% it's up there. So it kindly aligns with this resistance level. If we want to add it on the chart, here it's the resistance level, and the area between 50 and 61.8 Fibonacci is up here. So if we go to the 15-minute time frame and we are looking to buy this one, there is almost pretty much 1.5 or a bit more to be made at this point. So, and again, that's going to be a counter trend trade, but on the for the hourly time frame, okay? Because on the hourly time frame the price turned to the downside, but on a higher time frame, again, cautiously approach this trade, because we don't know if at this point here the market activated a bunch of sell orders that they are keen to continue pushing the price lower. Next one, Nasdaq, pretty much sideways here. We marked this bullish engulfing order block from yesterday. The price didn't respect it, came all the way here, fluctuated, and it's moving kind of sideways. for on the 15-minute time frame, nothing really. Next one, German 40, higher highs, higher lows, all the way bullish on this one. And guys, of course, if you need support, if you need private mentorship, please feel free to reach out to us through our website, MarketMindsMastery.com. You can also read the reviews from people that they use our services, not from all of them, but from some of them, of course. And you can click where it says individual trader, and it's going to take you to this section here. You can click on one-on-one coaching. Here it's a brief introduction, and feel free to book a free introduction session with me. No obligations, nothing, and I will help you the most. Okay. And last one for today, guys, it's gonna be the Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't create a high higher than the previous weekly high, and it started moving lower. Yesterday it found support where we marked the S1, push a little bit higher. Now it enters into this area of support S2, that was the previous week's low. Here the price also finds a 4-hour bullish engulfing order block at this point. It's this one here. So on the lower time frames, there are some good trades to be made. This candle was a very long candle, so the price, it might gonna retrace a little bit to the upside before it's going to continue moving lower as per these lower highs and lower lows. Okay, if it's going to continue lower, but if it's going to make it higher than this one here, then we're definitely going to look for long positions. Kind of sell-off in all the cryptocurrencies since yesterday, among the Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, and the rest. Okay, that's all from me today, guys. I hope you find value on this webinar. If you need to cover more currencies or indices, please put it on the comment below. I wish you best luck with your trading today, and I will see you all tomorrow again, of course, same time. Thank you.